about a Y? Can you find the Y?
Yay!
Let's try that again. Okay, let's go all the way in. In. That was the hardest one, wasn't it?
Yay!
Good job. Find C. Or C.
Where is it?
C.
Yay!
Oh, wait, I got it. Hey, you're silly. Silly. Here's M. Big girl,
Yay!